Welcome to Logicbyte Academy. Today we're going to talk about numbering system. Numbering systems are fundamental mathematical structure that provide a way to represent and express quantities. So there are four main type of numbering systems. They are decimal system, octal system, hexadecimal system, and binary system. Binary system is the most popular and it is the fundamental part of how the computers are made. Now let's talk about decimal system. It's also known as the base 10 system. It's a numerical system that uses a set of 10 digits to represent the numbers. So we use the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 9. Representation of numbers in the system can be written like this. So 0 and there's a bracket on the right, and 10 is written as a subscript. Now let's have an important topic, place value. It's something that you need to know on numbering system. We have a number here 73819. Here 7 is the MSD and 9 is the LSD. MSD means the most significant digit. So it is the number on the left, and LSD means least significant digit. It's the number on the right. Now let's talk about octal system. So octal system, or we have base 8. So that has 8 numbers including 0 to 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and after 7 comes 10 because we don't have 8 or 9 in this number system. After 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and after 17 comes 20 instead of 18. Now let's do an exercise to know more about octal system. So we have a question here. Obtain counts from 275 to 310 in octal system. So we have 275, 276, 277. After 277, we get 300 because we don't have 8 and 9. So then we have 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, and then comes 310 since we don't have 308 in our system. So we have another question here. So what is the largest 5-digit number in base 8? So the largest number in our octal system is 7. So the 5-digit number is going to be 7777. Now let's explore another number system, which is hexadecimal system, or its base 16. It is a numeral system that uses 16 digits. So that would be from 0 to 9 and A to F. Now let's look at how we can represent the numbers in hexadecimal and what's their corresponding decimal numbers are. We can write the hexadecimal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after 9 it's going to be A, then B, then we have C, D, E, F, and coming to decimal, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then comes 10. So A is corresponding to 10. Then we have B corresponding to 11, C to 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. After F comes in hexadecimal 10, and that corresponding is 16 in decimal. Then comes 11 in hexadecimal, that would be corresponding 17 in decimal, and so on. So now let's look at an exercise. So obtain the counts from the numbers 197 in hexadecimal to 182 in hexadecimal. So we can start 197, 198, we have 199, So after 9 comes A, so it's 19A. That's the next number. Then we have 19B, 19C, 19D, 19E. Then we have 19F. And after F comes 0, and then 9 becomes A, and then 1 becomes 1. Okay, so it's going to be 1A0. Then we have 1A1 and 1A2. That's the last number that we have to write. We have another question here. So what is the largest 5-digit number that we can represent in base 16? So the numbers that we have in base 16 number system, we have from 0 to 9 and then 8 to F. F is the largest digit, so the answer is F, 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 F. Now take a look at the most important system in computer science, which is the binary system. So binary system is a base 2 numeral system that uses only 2 digits, which is 0 and 1. So it's one of the fundamental in computing. So where each digit represents a power of 2. So we can look at how the numbers are represented. So let's write the numbers decimal in the left hand side from 0 to 10, and let's take a look at how we can represent binary. So first is 0, then we have 1, after 1 comes 10, then comes 11, and the next digit that we can represent with 1 and 0 is 100, then comes 101, then comes 110, then comes 111. After 111, the next digit that we can represent with 1 and 0 is 1000. Then comes 1001 and 1010. Now let's do an exercise. Count from 10110 to 11101. So we can write 10110. The next number is 10111. The next number is going to be 11000. Then we have 11001. 11010. Then we have 11011. Then we have 11100. Then we have 1101, and that's it. So here we can take a look at another question. What is the largest 5-digit number in base 2? So the answer to the question would be 11111. Each digit in a binary number represent 1 bit. So here we have a question: how many numbers we can represent with n bits? So if we have n bits, how many numbers we can represent? So here's the equation for that. It's 2 raised to n. Here is another question based on the previous equation. How many numbers we can represent with 5 bits? The equation would be 2 raised to n, so it's going to be 2 raised to 5, which is 32. So 32 numbers. What is the smallest binary number that we can represent with 5 bits? So the smallest number is going to be 0. What is the largest number that we can represent with 5 bits in a binary that correspond to decimal? So it would be 2 raised to 5 minus 1, which is going to be 32 minus 1, which is going to be 31. That is the number corresponding to the largest number in binary. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.